Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Environment and Space News. Today we are discussing about major environmental developments and space news, so let's get started. Florida is facing a double disaster because it is preparing for Hurricane Milton just days after being hit by Hurricane Helene. Experts are calling this hurricane a compound event because two Category 5 storms could hit this region in a row. Hurricane Milton is expected to hit Tampa Bay, bringing catastrophic winds and storm surges, while cleanup efforts from Helene are still underway. Scientists warn that hurricanes become more intense due to climate change, and these back-to-back events could become a new normal. Last week we celebrated World Space Week from October 4th to 10th. The theme this year focused on how satellites are playing a key role fighting against climate change. These space tours allow scientists to monitor everything from air pollution to rising sea levels, providing a crucial data that help us better understand the impact of global warming. Who would have thought that satellite would be one of our greatest allies in this fight against climate change? Now let's talk about the progress and challenges in the world of renewable energy. According to experts, worldwide we are seeing a significant growth in wind and solar power installations. But it's still not enough. Because to meet global climate goals and limit the warming of planet, we need to increase our clean energy production. We still have a long way to go to fully replace them. It's a race against time, but from what I see, the future is looking more greener. Shifting to space again, NASA has confirmed the presence of water vapor plumes on Europa, Jupiter's icy moon. This discovery has reignited excitement about the possibility of alien life. Europa is thought to have a subsurface ocean below its thick layer of ice, and these plumes of water may provide evidence of habitable environment. Future mission to Europa will focus on these plumes, which could provide direct access to moon's potential to support life. Comment down below what do you think about alien life on Europa moon. Australia's iconic Great Barrier Reef is once again under threat. Scientists are predicting another mass coral bleaching event due to rising sea level. This event could destroy this precious underwater ecosystem. This Great Barrier Reef is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth, but it is helpless to climate change. Efforts are underway to protect these reefs, but without strong climate action, its future remains uncertain. A new report has revealed that in order to meet Paris Agreement climate goals, the world must increase its wind and solar power capacity by 5 times by 2030. Renewable energy is key to reducing carbon emission, but we are not building it fast enough. Countries worldwide are being encouraged to invest more in renewable technologies to limit the impact of climate change. Scientists are raising concern over unusual green spots spreading in Antarctica due to algae growth caused by rising temperature. While it may seem like a small shift, but this change points to a worrying trend in the polar regions, which are warming faster than the rest of the planet. This green patch could be a sign of bigger environmental shift to come. Russia is preparing for major drought in 2025 that could destroy its wheat production. Prolonged heat waves are threatening this country's agriculture sector, which could have far-reaching effects on global food security. Wheat is a staple food for billions, and a major disruption could lead to price spikes and shortages. This drought highlights the broader impact of climate change on a global food security. Last but not the least, SpaceX has successfully completed a major test of its Starship rocket on October 13, 2024. In a groundbreaking move, they managed to catch part of the rocket in the mid-air, marking a significant step toward making rocket fully reusable. This achievement is critical in reducing the cost of space travel and bringing us one step more closer to mission to the Mars. This success not only brings SpaceX closer to its goal of Mars colonization, but also signals a new era in space travel, where reusability is the key to making exploration more sustainable and affordable. That's all for this week's edition of Weekly Environment and Space News. Stay informed and share it with your friends to keep them informed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.